my name is Andra, I'm 26 and I'm originally from Romania. I currently work at Viking and I'm here back at Fontys to talk about my job. So Viking is a distributor of different kinds of products. We are active in 7 markets and our main assortment includes office supplies, office furniture and facility equipment, and electronics. At Viking, I am a content editor for our English market, so United Kingdom and Ireland. And basically what I do is create, edit, optimize website content. I love my study program. I think it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I loved, of course, not only the people that I met from all over the world and all the great experiences that I had as a student, but also the practicality of it. So all the projects that I've been involved in, all the internships that I've done, working for the university as well, everything has really helped me become who I am today. Also the international part, so meeting all these people from different cultures has really, I think, opened my mind. It's very easy for me now to communicate with people from different parts of the world, and I'm really grateful to Fontys for that. The study program has really helped me in my career, I think. So not only have improved my presentation skills, my communication skills, even my negotiation skills when I had to negotiate my salary, but also, as I said, it really helped me understand better other cultures and try to communicate better with them. And also the practical side of it, of course. I learned how it is to work in a big company, how to speak to different people, how to present stuff, how to talk about myself. So I think I could give them 2 pieces of advice. One of them, stay focused. Don't forget that this is a university and everything that you learn here is for yourself. It will only help you to move forward in your career. And the second one is try to have fun, try to take risks, try to experience as many things as you can. So go to another country for your internship, move to the other side of the world for your semester abroad, meet people, have fun, do whatever else you can, because now is the time.